What is an L-type kitchen design? As the name implies, an L-shaped kitchen repeats the form of the English capital letter L. Typically, this kitchen arrangement suggests that major appliances for cooking and cleaning are placed on one side, while units for storage are found on another side of the L. To achieve an L form, the kitchen needs to be tucked in the corner where two walls constitute a perpendicular angle, and one wall typically is longer than another. Appliances and cabinets are placed along adjacent walls, leaving enough open space in the center, which can act as a dining or living area. Advantages of L-shaped kitchens. Nice ergonomics. The ergonomics of the L-type kitchen layout are meant to create an easy passage through space, as well as to provide an efficient and convenient cooking environment. Countertops and cabinetry are placed to ensure that everything is within easy reach, while cleanup and cooking appliances are positioned to encourage logical movement between work zones. Desirable working triangle. What makes an L-resembling layout highly efficient is that it facilitates the so much wanted working triangle. An idea behind this triangle is that the kitchen arrangement must create an effective connection among three key segments in the space: the cleaning, storing, and cooking areas. Generally, an external wall of an L-looking kitchen design contains major appliances for food prep and cleaning, including the sink and the dishwashing machine, allowing you to move freely between the most actively used working zones. Such positioning also makes plumbing easily accessible and easy to hide in cabinets. Open-plan living. L-shaped kitchens only exploit two walls, naturally opening up space. This is perfect if you want to make your kitchen transit into another zone, say, a dining room, living area, or lounge nook. Since it offers more free space, an L-shaped kitchen design is also great for entertainment and gathering activities. The open space of the L-form kitchen is also great to arrange a table and chairs, making mealtimes a breeze. Works great for smaller homes. The L shape is ideal for a smaller kitchen, as it keeps all the storage units and appliances on two sides of the room, leaving the others free and open, so the overall space seems broad and uncluttered. Makes a lovely tandem with an island. If space is not an issue, you can incorporate an island into the L-shaped kitchen, thus providing an unusual dining area for a family or a place to chat with friends over coffee. Not only this inclusion will render more options for storage, eating, and meal preparation, but will also make a fashionable and aesthetically appealing touch to the overall appearance of the kitchen. More than that, when all the cooking and cleaning stuff is concentrated along just two walls, you can devote the rest of the room to be used by your family. Disadvantages of an L-shaped kitchen design. Problematic spacing. Though the L-shaped kitchen is amazing for an open floor plan, it can be quite spread out, with the appliances and worktops extending along two walls, which may be inconvenient for the kitchen user. Not very suitable for several cooks. In smaller kitchens, a perpendicular layout is not suited for several persons cooking at once. Corner-based cabinet is hard to use. The corner-based cabinet of an L-shaped kitchen may be inconvenient to operate, for example, when placing or removing big pots and pans. Let seasoned, competent professionals handle your kitchen renovation project and transform the space into your dream, boosting the efficiency, aesthetics, and value of your kitchen.